How to add music to Instagram stories. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can add music to Instagram story. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. To add music to your Instagram story, first open up your Instagram. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then you can tap on your story option on the top left. Then create a story. So you can click a video or a photo. And after you do that, you can then start making edits to your story. At the right top side, you will find different icons, including the music icon. Tap on it. From here, you can find different music. You can check for trending songs, you can check for saved songs and everything. So simply select a song that you like. Then tap on the next button at the bottom right corner. Then choose the part of a song that you like, and then tap on the done button on the top right. After you do that, the music has been now added. All you now have to do is upload the story. So tap on the Your Story option at the bottom left. Then there we go. That's how you add music to Instagram stories. Thanks for watching. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.